Hello and welcome to the Fact Today Show. I'm your host, Mr. Toes, and today's bread fact will rise to the occasion. Did you know caramelization happens with toast and bread? It only occurs on the outside of the bread because it is exposed directly to hot air in the oven, which causes it to caramelize and turn brown. Yeah. There's nothing quite like a nice fresh baguette that's all nice and toasty. What in the world was that? Well, he's right though. A nice baguette that's all nice and toasty. Huh? Yeah, what he said. Yum! Thank you, kind stranger. Well, thank you for joining us today, and tune in next time for another exciting episode of the Fact Today Show. I'm your host, Mr. Toes. Have a Toooe-rific day. Yeah, he's still not there again.